What's up sa inyo mga pre? So for today's video, reaction video muna tayo sa mga sa napapanood kong mga horror video dito sa YouTube. Especially itong Nukes top 5. Nukes top 5. Ang galing ng mga nito, ang galing ng mga video niya, kaya nag-enjoy akong pinapanood to paggabi, lalo na ngayong oras. So, banatan na natin to mga pre. Let's go. Diba? Tunog pa lang, nakakatakot na.
This next clip allegedly comes from CCTV cameras in an unknown city in the Philippines.
Oh, Philippines pa to.
A red hoodie is seen walking along a city street, but the CCTV camera image becomes very strange.
Sa CCTV sa mga yung mga CCTV talaga sobrang minsan hindi talaga nakakagilap talaga sila ng mga ng mga multo kaya may CCTV kami sa bahay, minsan di ko tinitingnan pag gabing-gabi na. Okay, tuloy natin.
Nakapula. Saan galing mo? Ang galing doon sa mga ito sa may Maligaya Street yan.
Maligaya Street?
Yan na mag-umpis sa mga lang nag-umpis. Ang tanya. Ayan, beach doon. Masira yung CCTV.
Yun. Hindi ko nakita. Nawala yung ulo niya. Shit. What? Wala yung ulo niya.
As you can see in the clip, the video seems to glitch in a very bizarre way, making it look as if the woman's head disappears multiple times. But oddly, the rest of the video is perfectly clear. Now, in the Philippines, there's a strange superstition that says that if someone appears in a photograph without a head, it...
Actually, Pilipinas to, matik. Hindi quality mga CCTV. Joke lang. Let's go.
That person will soon pass away.
What?
Oddly enough, a few minutes later, and this happens.
Sorry. Hindi tayo naka premium. Soon mag-premium tayo. Okay.
Unfortunate woman is accidentally struck by a runaway taxi van.
Actually, merong ganito. Sabi nga ng mga matatanda sa Pilipinas, pag example sa mga picture, pag yung pinicturean kang wala kang ulo, like sabi nila may masamang mangyayari sa'yo, or like kagaya nito, nakita sa CCTV wala yung ulo niya, tapos ayan biglang na-aksidente pala. Ay, Diyos ko po, nakakatakot talaga.
And it is said that she did actually pass away as the result of her injuries.
See?
Just like the old Filipino superstition says.
Exactly,
now, this
right?
immediately went viral on Philippines websites and social media, but no one knows the original source of the video, which leaves...
Kung gusto niyo manood ng mga ng horror video, punta lang kayo dito sa website na to. Sa vlog na to, yung Nukes top 5.
Us to wonder, is this real proof of the paranormal? Or is it just an old malfunctioning CCTV system? Or is it all just a very elaborate hoax? As always,
Hindi natin masabi.
Nightlight. A woman named Brenda says that late one night while she and her husband were sleeping, their home security camera caught this strange event at 2:45 in the morning.
2:45 in the morning. May sumilip doon, Grabe.
The family dog perks up as a bright light flashes and what looks like a face seems to peek out of the door. Then a shadowy figure about the size of a child seems to be standing in the hallway before disappearing, just as the little pale face peeks out of the door again. Brandis and her husband Sky have never posted.
Kaya minsan kahit pag nakita kong alas 3 na ng madaling araw, hindi ako tumatayo. Hindi ako tumatayo para umihi. Hayaan ko na lang hanggang umaga.
Posted or even experienced anything paranormal.
Grabe,
they say
sumilip
they
talaga.
have no idea what this could be. Something at the door.
Something at the
Chase
door.
and his wife Rachel are staying overnight in the house of Rachel's recently deceased grandfather. The elderly man had passed away in the house only 1 month earlier. So the couple is just settling in for the night when suddenly something happens that is downright creepy.
How you doing? You okay?
I don't know.
You a little freaked out?
A little bit.
So, we were just going to bed and
Paling mo. Grabe yung paling niya sa camera. Oh shit.
let me just show you.
Yun na. Huwag mong bubuksan na mabilisan.
Literally had to put the bag up against the door because we're not sure.
Yung tao, shit. Isa na naman.
And like, we're literally just.
Even though there's no draft or air current in the house, the bedroom door begins to randomly move as if it's being quickly pulled back and forth by some unseen force.
Yeah, right?
Understandably, Chase and Rachel are pretty shaken up by the strange, unexplained phenomena. They decide to just pack up their stuff
Grabe.
and
Hindi
leave
ko
the house.
Hindi ko kaya to. Lalayas ako sa bahay.
But this is when things get even creepier.
Okay, so we're leaving. We got all
You should.
packed. Oh,
Loko.
oh my gosh.
Ay, grabe ng kingilabot ako.
Okay, yeah, we're out here. Rachel's already in the car. I'm leaving. I don't know what's going on.
As Chase is gathering their luggage, the bedroom door slams shut right behind him. And again, it begins to move back and forth, this time even faster than before. Chase says that he still has no idea what could have caused the strange movement of the door. Some video commenters believe that this was the ghost of Rachel's recently deceased grandpa.
Sumasakit tuloy
Some
bato
think
ko
it
na
might have been
stress ako.
something more sinister
Ay.
that had taken up residence in the house. But what do you think?
In his research, Dr. Morrison
Sumakit
identified
na. Skip natin yan.
The follower. It's around 5:30 in the morning and two girls are on a hike through the mountains in the Philippines with a large group.
Philippines na naman.
Girls stop a little too long to take some pictures and accidentally get left behind by the group. The girls run to catch up with the other hikers as one of them films, but her camera captures something truly bizarre.
Naliligaw kami, guys! Naliligaw! Wala
Saan ba kasi kayo pumunta? Naliligaw kayo?
na yung mga kasama namin. Kailangan namin silang habulin. Kasi
Bilisan nyo.
naliligaw kami. Gagi, malayo na sila.
Tagal nyo kasi. Picture kasi kayo ng picture eh.
Wala na.
Wala kayo.
Did you see it?
Nope.
As the two girls run along the mountain trail way back in the background, some
May
strange
mahabol sa
figure
kanila.
seems to be following them. But a little
May
bit
naka-black
later,
na
the
mahabol
mysterious
sa kanila.
dark figure has just disappeared. The girl who posted this video says that she and her friend were completely alone and they have no idea who or what this could be. She says that she only noticed the shadowy figure when she watched her video back later. So, what do you think? Was someone stalking them through the remote woods? Or just what is this? You decide.
Grabe.
A short stay. A guy named Brendan has a YouTube channel where he camps in his van in some strange and sometimes very dangerous locations across the UK. In this video, Brendan decided to camp overnight in the coastal village of Jaywick in Essex, England. Now, amongst other things, Jaywick is known as
Camping dito sa Canada, sobrang ganda. Mag-enjoy kayong mag-camping dito sa Canada actually.
one of Britain's poorest towns and has a very high crime rate. In other words, it's not really the best place to be camping overnight in a van. But that doesn't stop Brendan.
A little town in England called Jaywick, coined as one of the most deprived towns in the UK.
Lakas ng loob nito.
I just had to go and see it.
Brendan searches around and eventually finds a place to set up camp that is just outside of town and kind of in the middle of nowhere.
This'll do me. I'm alone, but I mean, there's no other houses around me, so it's not as if
Sige, ang tapang mo, ha?
Brendan sets up his bed in the van and lies down for a night's sleep. But around 2:30 in the morning, things take a terrifying turn.
I think someone's outside the van.
Tapang mo eh. Ayun na. Wala ka.
Hey!
Shoot, ano yun? Pinasag yung salamin.
Right, whoever the that was has now gone. I'm gonna get out of here.
Alam naman kasing ano eh. Nabigla ako. Akala ko ibang ano.
Someone with a flashlight skulks around outside Brendan's van, trying the door handles, before smashing the window to get inside.
Hey!
Luckily, Brendan yells and sends the intruder running. He then hops in the driver's seat and just gets
Oh, baka tao lang yun.
Brendan makes it out safe.
Feeling ko tao lang yun.
He's very shaken up by the whole ordeal. He decides to not only leave the town of Jaywick, but to drive all night, 3.5 hours, all the way back to his home.
I just, quite frankly, just wanted to go home. I was really, I wasn't in a good
Oh, baka pinapalis lang siya dito.
mind space. After cleaning a little bit of broken glass from my driver's seat and the dashboard, you'd be surprised how far glass goes when it smashes. I've been finding little bits everywhere, but the van was in no fit state to continue camping in, and nor was my headspace, should we say. So I made the long journey back home. I think it was a good 3.5 hour drive back to my house in Shrewsbury. Got there just before sunrise. Not a pleasant drive, to say the least.
Despite this frightening encounter, Brendan still goes camping in his van and posts his adventures over on his YouTube channel, Brendan Explores.
They're coming straight in.
Ads. Sorry.
Nothing.
Okay, tuloy.
If you see something that you think would be perfect for the top 5, email me at nukestop5@gmail.com.
Sa akin din, no, pag ano, mag-comment down below lang kayo if meron kayong mga alam na video na sobrang nakakatakot. Papanoorin natin yan. I-reaction video ko yan.
You can also tag me on TikTok at nukestop5official, and be sure to tag me only at nukestop5official, because there are a lot of fake accounts on there. Get out. A guy named Carter moved into a new fully furnished rental house, but not long after he moved in, he began to experience strange things and hear unexplained noises. Late one night while he's asleep in bed, he hears the creepy sound of what seems to be someone hitting keys on the piano in his living room.
Woo! Dahan-dahan, Chong. What? Grabe naman to.
Carter decides to lay on his living room couch to try to figure out just what is going on with the piano.
Tapang pa niya
As you
talaga.
might imagine, it did not go well.
Dude, what the f***?
The piano plays again and a chair moves, and Carter decides that he's had about enough. He decides to leave the house to stay with a friend, but as he is leaving, he manages to capture this video.
Grabe.
As Carter heads for his car, he sees his TV flickering and his lights randomly turning on and off inside his house. Now, usually when people watch these videos, they say, well, if the place is so haunted, then why wouldn't he just move out? Well, that's exactly what he did. Carter moved right out of that house. And the end of this haunted story, I guess. Hiding under the covers. A video poster who calls himself Celtic Dabs works the reception desk at a creepy old hotel in Arizona. One day, his coworker shows him something very strange that keeps happening in one of the rooms.
What? May gumagapang. Baka daga lang to, di ba? Baka daga lang yan. Daga lang yan siguro.
No.
Feeling ko daga lang to.
Yeah, cause let me hit it now.
Dapat kasi taas na yung ano eh. Yung ano dito eh. Para makikita kong daga lang eh.
Yeah.
Huh?
Shut up. Bro.
Si may dugo.
Something seems to be moving around in a strange erratic pattern under the bed sheet.
Hindi pala dugo yun, nandun na pala yun.
Slaps the sheet, it just disappears.
Akala ko may lumabas na dugo.
The sheet was tidied back up, the same weird phenomenon would happen again. So, just what do you think this could be? Also, if whatever is under the sheet isn't enough to scare you, well, just imagine staying in a hotel that put sheets like this on the bed. Honestly, the thought of sleeping in those sheets scares me more than whatever is moving around under there. So either way, this video is truly disturbing. Night call. Late one night in Pueblo, Colorado, an emergency call comes into the 911 dispatch center. But whoever made the call hangs up almost immediately. The 911 operators trace the call and find that it came from Imperial Memorial Gardens. Well, the weird thing is, Imperial Memorial Gardens is a funeral home, surrounded by an 80-year-old cemetery. And it's 3:30 in the morning, so no one should be there. Now, as standard procedure, the 911 emergency operators call the funeral home back to make sure everything is okay. And someone answers the phone.
Yun lang.
This is what the 911 operators hear.
911, this is Erica. How can I help you? Hello? Hello?
Grabe, may nagsasalita.
Hello?
Parang mga multong nagkikwentuhan eh, no?
There's a lot of static and a quiet male voice seems to say something a few times, but then the call just goes silent. Again, as part of standard procedure, the emergency operators send the police to check out the old funeral home. But when the officers arrive, they find the funeral home locked up and all the lights are off. No one's there. Now, I tried to clean up the call audio as much as possible, but there's just not much there.
Hello?
Help him?
Hello?
So, just who made this call? And what do you think they might be saying?
Mga nagpapatulong lang sila, actually.
Gives you the freedom to tell your story.
Actually, ganyan yung mga, mga spiritong iba eh.
Lurking in the dark. A man in South Wales walks out to his car very early one Wednesday morning to head off to work. It's just before 5 a.m. and the rest of the neighborhood is still asleep. No one else is around, and the man doesn't notice anything unusual. But later that night, as the man checks through his security camera feed, he sees something that sends a shiver down his spine.
Oh. Uy! What the? may biglang, ano doon, nakita nyo yun, di ba? Yung biglang shadow tayo na nakatingin pa sa kanya. Grabe.
As the man approaches his car, some lumbering form seems to appear out of nowhere.
Para siya nagte-teleport. Para siya nag-teleport lang.
Quickly hurrying away. And then, whatever this is, simply disappears into thin air. Now, the figure moves at a very odd angle and speed for this
Katakbo pa siyang kabayo eh, no?
to be a lens flare. And considering that the rest of the video is in sharp focus, it seems very unlikely that this is some kind of compression error or problem with the camera. So, just who or what is this?
Yeah, right?
Scary videos. So,
Scary
these videos with the stuff that kind of starts off scary and then just gets weird and kind of goofy. Speaking of which, TikToker Dre in Dallas experiences something spooky in his home, but instead of chasing it down to record with his phone, he goes the complete other way.
Come on, where you hide her stuff at?
Mom, where's my Gucci?
Oh.
No, I'm not. Come on, Janae. Come on, Janae. Janae, come on.
Tumakbo.
Come on, friend. Come on, Janae. Come on. It's a ghost, this mother.
Next up. Now this video from Matt Sowards was shot
Ganun
on a
mangyari
country
sa
road in
akin.
the middle of nowhere with no other
Nakakita akong
cars
multo
around
kung may
anywhere.
nagparamdam.
Do not ever do this prank to someone who is driving.
Okay.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó?
¿Qué pasó?
¿Qué pasó?
So, in case you missed it, the guy in the backseat hangs a life-size cardboard cutout of a zombie out of his window and dangles it in front of the driver's window. And
Sira ulo yung mga to. Paano pag na-aksidente na ganyan nung driver yung steering wheel? Leche.
driver slams on the brakes and freaks right out.
¿Qué pasó?
¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó?
Now, lately on this channel, I've shown many kids scaring their parents for their own amusement. But you see, this segment is very different because TikToker Katie Funny Guy makes videos where he scares the out of his wife and kids.
Oo, napapanood ko to sa TikTok. Lagi niyang tinatakot yung mga binibigla yung mga pamilya niya.
Never say Hello. Right here, I'm right here. 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 Bye, Jay. Bye, Jay. Bro, what you doing, man? What you doing? That's too damn loud, bro.
But now, recently, Katie Funny Guy had an experience where something made him a little taste of his own medicine.
Hindi, baka di lang balance yung pagkalagay doon kaya nahulog siya.
I was trying to, I was creeping. I'm talking about, yo, I was shook. What would you would have done? Hell, you would peek around the corner, for real, for real. The Look, I was scared too. I just ain't showing it.
So, I think the lesson here is, if you keep scaring your family yourself, then the ghost in your house might take that personally.
Yeah, right.
Anyway, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you back here next time.
Okay. Ayun no. Grabe, nakakatakot yung mga iba. But, again guys, if meron kayong mga alam na videos na sobrang nakakatakot, comment down below lang. Sabihin nyo lang sa akin. Isi-search natin yan sa YouTube at papanoorin. So, thank you for watching guys. And then, see you next time. Peace!